Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Dual Telegram in your Android phone. Now to install Dual Telegram, at first you have to download main copy of Telegram and then open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down. After that go to advanced features and then scroll down a bit and then go to Dual Messenger option. Now here you can see Telegram option. Now to install Dual Telegram you have to just enable this option from here. Then tap on install and it's done. You can also use separate contact list for Dual Telegram. So just enable this option and it's done. Now if you go to app screen, you can see in my phone Dual Telegram has been installed successfully, and from here you can log in or sign up your Telegram account. Now if you go to same settings again, from here you can also download second copy of WhatsApp, Facebook and Messenger. And that is how you can install Dual Telegram in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.